Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to connect domain controller. Okay, so in last video we have created virtual machine for Windows Server 2019 and the Windows 10. Okay, now once we created a virtual machine, we need to connect those virtual machine to domain controller, okay, to log in using our domain ID. So this is Server 2019 which we just built. Now we need to connect this server to domain controller. Okay, so click on change setting, change, and the server name is SVR002. So I'll also change the machine name 002. Then we have to join to domain careerhub.com is our domain controller, active directory domain controller. Okay, let me try to ping the domain controller to see if this server is communicating with domain controller. Ping 10.10.10.200. yeah, go to run. This is my vCenter machine and we are opening this on browser. Okay, sva.cpl. Right, Citrix admin and the password. Incorrect. All right, no problem. Meanwhile, I can log into Windows 10 machine as well. And logged in. Same we have to do is we need to connect this Windows 10 machine to server. Computer name, change the computer name to VMware 001. Domain okay, again we need to enable disable the adapter. Sometimes it happen, guys, usually do not happen, but if you are not able to connect and you are able to ping the server, the domain controller, you can enable disable the network adapter. Okay, this Windows 10 is connected to domain controller. Now we will reboot this. Go again here, Citrix admin. So Citrix admin is also administrator. That's what I'm taking, Citrix admin. If you want to use administrator, you can do so, like add strator and the password, same thing. So both the users are administrator, so you can either use administrator or Citrix admin, both can work. Okay, so this two machine now connected to domain controller. Now we will installing VDA agent on it to create machine creation service, and after that we would able to publish desktop and the application and the VDA. Thank you very much.